to the girls of AIC Kosirai Girls. The anticipation is at an all-time high as 38 exceptional athletes from Team Kenya have officially reported to the Moi International Sports Center, Kasarani. These talented athletes representing 7 sports are eagerly preparing for the 7th edition of the Trinidad and Tobago Youth Commonwealth Games, a much-awaited event slated to take place from the 14th to the 11th of August.
We have opened a camp for the Youth Commonwealth Games in Trinidad and Tobago. As a GTM, I'm happy because some of the teams have reported, some are still on the way, and we're expecting the full house today. Rugby, athletics, triathlon, who are actually training in Kilifi right now. Bringing the youth to train in Kasarani is a motivation also, since most of them they have been hearing stories that Kasarani is where the senior athletes train, or the bigger teams, Falebo, have been trained. It's a boost to the team. So we are happy that we choose Kasarani for our national team. And this is a young team actually. They're school-going kids, and it's good to put them together so that they can have a good training together at the finals, and we can know each other as a team. It's a national team, so we need to be together.